Hi, my name is Pedro Cana. I'm the president of Sunset Homes.
And I'm Josh Burns from Lux Windows.
So today we're going to be talking about the differences between the Class 3 and the Class 2 and the Class 1 estimate in terms of windows and all these numbers and what is included and so on. So to start with, Josh, just explain what our standard or the Sunset Homes spec for windows is. Just go for it.
Absolutely. When Sunset does a great job in giving you a good budget to work with without feeling limited, what we try to do is put something kind of right in the mid-range. We want to make sure that we're giving the customer good products. So you're getting a metal clad vinyl window that gives you the flexibility to have 8 different colors on the outside, but then you're really simple and no maintenance vinyl on the inside. And then that comes with a dual pane, 2-layer low E glass. So still a high performance glass, again, not the lowest that you can get, not the highest that you can get, somewhere right in between. And that gives us the opportunity to meet budget restrictions, but also give the client some flexibility to save some costs if they need, but also upgrade whatever.
Yeah. So then, in terms of the paint, so we can always go to a triple pane window, let's say if we decide to, for what we talked about before, like noise or more energy efficiency and so on. So there is still room there, and then we always can compromise on another phase of the house that is not as noisy or cold as the other ones. So in terms of the metal cladding, you mentioned we have some colors to choose from. Which are the most going by colors nowadays?
Yeah, you see lots of blacks. That's the majority of the projects that we've been doing. But there's a few different colors that are very common as well. We do a lot of bronze, and when you think of bronze, it looks you think of very coppery color, but it's a bit of a softer kind of commercial brown color. So it's a little bit easier to accent, so that's very common. And then you've got your typical like chocolate brown, a couple of different tones of beige, and then just whites and things like that. Okay. So it gives you flexibility to tie that all in with your stucco and stone and siding selections and make sure that it creates a beautiful custom home that you're looking for.
Yeah, nice. So then when the clients, after we do the Class 2 presentation, let's say we have quotes, we have drawings, they will go and meet you. How easy is for them to see all these products, to see our spec?
That's a great question. Our showroom was actually just renovated. It's about 10,000 square feet, and everything that we've got spec'd with Sunset Standard is in the showroom. So we can stand there and look at exactly what the client's going to get, and they can just provide me with their input on what they like, what they don't like, and we can figure out exactly what they want.
Nice. And in terms of, let's say the client would like to change the front door, how many selections of design are there possible?
That's a good question, yeah, and that's the biggest thing that comes up with a custom home, especially with how we structure our quoting process. It's always great for the homeowner to come in and select the front door. It's very important, it's critical, it's the first thing that everybody that's going to come over to your new home is going to see. So there's endless options. You can spend $500, you can spend $25,000. Normally you don't, but there's basically anything that you could dream up. We can source for the customers.
Beautiful, and that's the Sunset Homes specs for windows and doors. If you want to know more about windows and the custom home building process, please check our blog.
Or give me a call anytime. Even if you're really in design, I'm happy to help and answer any questions that you may have. Or check out luxwindows.com.